This is Autumn and Toby's puppies' second adventure outside since their litter visitation was yesterday. I've got some toys and some shade. Miss Orange is already doing a little adventure. Hi, you guys are being really brave. So it's a good idea to have your mom with you, so we'll send Autumn out. She can make sure all is well with her puppies. It's a nice big toy you got there, Miss Teal. Nice jump. 2 puppies on a toy. Here comes Mom. Wow, that's pretty nice, you guys. Miss Teal's gonna keep that toy. So, now that they are 5 weeks old, they'll start going outside on a regular basis, weather permitting. They are eating more and nursing less. We'll see if Autumn will agree to a little outdoor picnic, and if not, we'll take her back inside. These guys can play for a while, but you can see they think this is pretty grand. Wow. What do you guys think? Huh? Happy little tails. All right, hope you enjoyed sharing their second outdoor adventure. They hate the bows. I love them. All right. What do you guys think? That's my shoes. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.